Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink or Link has run into resistance here, into the box that has been in place for many weeks now actually, and the price has now been rejected out of this box various times. Here, first time, second time, third time, and we've left the box again. We are currently still holding though above the 50-day moving average, which you can see here. It's probably providing a little bit of support here at least. It's currently at around $7.40. On the chart, you can see here a little bit of a head and shoulders forming with a neckline basically around the current level, $7.50. Here, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Always try to draw it. It doesn't look awkward. Neckline here, and target, just purely using here traditional TA, we would look at a target from the breakout point of around $6.62. So as you know, my elite wave analysis would also suggest that we are heading down for one more low. It suggests that what we've done so far is from the high here at around $9.50, we've come down in a wave 1. We have moved here up in a wave 2, and we are heading down in a wave 3 next. I think a break below that $7.50 level would be a confirmation that we are coming down. And yes, I think the first major resistance will be that $6.60, $6.50 level. That would also be the low of that wave B here. And if we break below that, then I think, yeah, there is probably here one more support level around $6.10, $6.15, and then we should head to the wave 3 target. Target for wave 3 is, first target would be 522. That would be the more optimistic target. That is the 1-to-1 ratio between waves 1 and 3. But you would also expect that the 1.618 is something that should be considered. That is the $3.17 level. Therefore, I'm telling you that would be for that wave 3, and then there should be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. Now, there are two different targets. This could be, this last wave down could also be a diagonal pattern, A, B, C, in which we will probably only reach here the area around $5, maybe a little bit lower. However, if we have this 5-wave pattern, then we can get into this region between $2.90 and $3.50. That is not entirely clear yet. I think going down to $2.90 to $3.50 is quite a strong drop. But I think for, let's say, $5 and just below that would maybe even be more realistic. Now, as I said before, this is not a bullish structure here. Yeah, by all means, it's not an impulse. Yeah, I know it's retracing more than originally anticipated. Well, actually it's not. It just takes a bit longer because this target area has been on the chart for many, many weeks. And all we're doing is currently using the space in this area. As I said before, even if we break above this 963 level here, I'd probably still be rather bearish on Chainlink unless we really see a 5-wave structure to the upside. I mean, a proper one, not just elements of it. And then a 3-wave move down. So the daily chart is down until we go above $11.50. So really, until we get above that level, we probably shouldn't assume that the low is in. There's always a potential here, but this chart, I mean, you would have to say that if we want to look at a breakout pattern here, you would have to say that, I mean, nothing is impossible, right? But it's all about likelihoods, probabilities, and so on. You would have to say that this here was a wave 1, a diagonal, a leading diagonal, coming down in a wave 2, and then we are now in a wave 3 to the upside. But again, the wave 1 would be a leading diagonal, and we would be coming down in wave 2. Very constructed, very forced, that count, and it just doesn't seem likely to me. Yeah, nothing is impossible. Yeah, absolutely not. But you know, in elite wave and also in trading, we're obviously looking at these situations that can give us an edge, that are looking very likely. This one just doesn't really look like a breakout pattern. So again, until we really break in first stage above 963, and then even better would be 1150, I'm focused here more on the downside, And most imminently, we haven't even left the area that would be likely for a wave 2. So this is the green target box between $7.57 and $8.80. So we haven't even left that. That is based on the Fibonacci levels, the retracement levels of that wave 1. So here between the 78.6% Fib level and actually the 50% level. Just a bit confused why I actually have it a little bit lower. There might have been a reason for that. So might as well just adjust that to the 50% and the 78.6% Fib level. And that's fine then. Yeah, and that's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.